Perfect. Okay. Very good. Hold on to it. Say stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Right there, put your card in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a little mix up. Okay, I'm going to try and hide this card from you, actually. And so what we're going to do is, in a second, you're going to look for your card really fast while I try and escape from the handcuffs. And here, I've got a, to make it exciting, I've got a handcuff key, just in case I don't get out. If you can hold on to that. I've got a bobby pin, which I'm going to pick the lock with. You hold on to that. And I've got my wallet. And inside my wallet, there's some credit cards. Okay? And I'm going to give my wallet to you for safekeeping. Now here's the deal. In a second, I'm going to put these cards into the box. I'm going to put the handcuffs on. I am going to try and pick said handcuffs with that bobby pin before you can find your card in that box. It's like a time clock. And if I lose, she's going to give you my wallet. And you can go shopping with my credit card, and you can buy an ice cream or maybe a pair of flip-flops from Walmart. I don't know. There's not a lot of money on it, but it's exciting to me, right? It's like life and death. I'll have no money in my bank account, and you'll have it. Yeah, okay, cool. No, I'm going to use that. You're going to use these. Okay, I'm going to put these on. You can clip them gently. Don't be rough.
Aww.
Ow.
Oh, sorry.
I knew you were going to do that. Okay, do it again. Okay. Bobby pin. Cards. On the count of 3, everyone's going to count 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go. And you're going to try not to knock this off the table because it's a little flimsy. In fact, you know what? Take this.
You know I'm rough.
Yeah, I know you. You can search on the stool. Okay, so everybody, on the count of 3. 1,
2, 3.
Give me glasses. Probably somewhere over there. No, go faster. You gotta try and find one. You wrote on it really big. I'm rooting for you.
Oh, wow.
What? It's not there?
No.
What are you talking about? Oh, come on. It's gotta be there. Wait. Oh, you know what happened? The card thought that it was part of the trick. The card thought that it was supposed to escape. And actually, there's an envelope, a sealed envelope inside my wallet. And if you rip it, here, you do it, rip it open. And look inside.
Wow.
Awesome.